Hello, my name is Caleb Coffey, and for this assignment, I have chosen the CRJ-200 Flight Management System. A flight management system, FMS, is an onboard multi-purpose navigation, performance, and aircraft operations computer designed to provide virtual data and operational harmony between closed and open elements associated with a flight from pre-engine start and takeoff to landing an engine and shutdown. Four key components make up the flight management system: the flight management computer, the automatic flight control or automatic flight guidance system, the navigation system, an electronic flight instrument system, or equivalent electromechanical instrumentation. The flight management system contains a computer, which is the Collins FMS 4200 for the purposes of this presentation. The system has an active database which is used for flight planning and navigation. The secondary database is used for new databases to upload before the current one becomes invalid about every 28 days. It is essential to have the most current information in the FMS. Databases include information such as airports and runways, NavAids, VOR, VOR and DME, Vortex, TACANs, GPSs, NDBs, airways, intersections, pilot-defined waypoints, SIDS, stars, and approaches. The AFCS controls the aircraft's flight control services based upon the mode selection. The AFCS comprise the following: two interlinked flight control computers, FCC-1 and FCC-2, two-axis autopilots, two yaw dampers, automatic elevator trim controls, and assorted servos and actuators. The electronic flight instrument system took the place of the traditional systems and flight deck displays and are in the majority of modern business and commercial aircraft. The Bombardier CRJ-200 is equipped with the Collins FMS 4200. The regional jet could have one or two units installed near the main panels of the avionics displays in the center console. The Collins FMS 4200 works together with the Collins Proline 4 avionics suite and is typically only installed in aircraft with the Collins Proline 4 suite. The Proline 4 is digital and the displays are cathode ray tubes, CRTs. There are 4 to 6 7 quarter-inch electronic flight instrument CRTs that display information within the instrument panel. All map and key text information appear on the primary displays. The primary flight displays, PFDs, that show the pitch and roll commands to the flight crew is known as the flight director. Flight deck controls are comprised of the following: flight control panel, which is made up of the flight director and autopilot controls. Yaw damper panel, control wheel switches, autopilot disconnect, pitch trim, and sync. Takeoff go around, or TOGA, switches on the thrust levers. The flight director feeds commands to the autopilot system. This system activates the aircraft's control surfaces, which automatically controls pitch and roll. The autopilot is subject to the mode selected and can execute the following: capturing and maintaining a desired heading, desired VOR track, ILS localizer, glide slope beam, and FMS course. Capturing and maintaining desired pitch attitude, maintaining a desired pressure altitude, maintaining a selected speed, indicated airspeed or Mach, and maintaining a selected vertical speed. The flight director system, with or without the autopilot employed, can provide the pitch and roll commands necessary to accomplish the following: hold a desired altitude, maintain a pressure altitude, hold a vertical speed, hold a Mach or indicated airspeed, and more. The PFDs indicate the following AFCS information: flight director modes and status, autopilot modes and status, elevator, stabilizer, and aileron trim failures, yaw damper disengagement, alternate and common source selections, and flight director system monitor status. The navigation system includes those units and components which provide the following data to the flight crew. Position systems, dual very high frequency navigation systems, VOR signals, localizer signals, glide slope signals, marker beacon signals, dual automatic direction finder systems, dual DME, ATC transponder systems, independent position systems, weather radar, traffic alert and collision avoidance, and enhanced ground proximity warning systems with wind shear detection. CRT-based radio tuning units, or RTUs, tune navigation receivers and display the navigation data on PFDs and MFDs on the captain's and first officer side panels. The electronic flight instrument system displays provide airspeed, attitude, heading, navigation, and flight mode annunciating information. Each pilot receives this information on a PFD and an MFD. Controls for the EFIS display modes are provided by switches and push buttons located on the center console and the side instrument panels. Cooling is provided by AC powered fans. As you can see, the flight management system is a complex, comprehensive system that is important in assisting flight crew from engine start to the end of the flight. Each part that makes up the FMS, the FMC, the AFCS, the Aircraft Navigation System, and the EFIS all serve as essential pieces to the multifaceted system.